Hello, my sweet smileys. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe. I'm very happy to meet you all again. It's story time. Do you all love stories? Goodies. You all love stories, right? Shall I tell you a story today? Okay. There was a boy called Varun. He lived in a nuclear family happily, and he loved playing outdoor games during his free time. Due to the spread of the coronavirus in the city, lockdown was announced by the government. So, Varun was locked inside the house. So, he was not able to go out and play as he do always. Varun felt bored to sit in the house for the whole day. So, he went to play in the garden. In the garden, there were a lot of butterflies. So, he started playing with them. Varun tried to catch the butterflies using his net. After a lot of tries, finally he caught one butterfly. So, he took a glass jar and put the butterfly inside the jar along with few flowers for the butterfly to drink the honey. And then he closed the jar with a lid and he made few holes on the lid for the butterfly to breathe easily. Varun took the jar inside his house and started playing with the butterfly. Varun's mother noted this and advised Varun to set the butterfly free as the butterfly will miss his mother. But Varun did not listen to his mother. He started crying. When Varun was playing with the butterfly, suddenly he heard a noise. Please leave me! Please leave me! I want to go to my mom! Varun was shocked. Who's that? Was the butterfly talking? The butterfly said, Yes! Please leave me! Please leave me, Varun! I want to go to my mom! Varun said, Please be with me, butterfly. I'll take care of you. Listening to this, Varun's mother thought of a plan and she thought to teach a lesson to Varun. So, she acted as if she was not feeling well. Varun became sad to see his mother like this, lying on the bed with a dull face. As Varun's mother was not feeling well, Varun, his father, and his sister started doing all the household works. And they did all the works, including cooking. So Varun and his sister felt very tired. They missed mother very much, so they became very sad. And now Varun realized that the butterfly will also miss his mother like as he is missing his mother. So immediately he opened the jar and let the butterfly free. Once Varun opened the jar, the butterfly came out of the jar and flew away happily towards his mother. Varun was very happy to see this. Now Varun was very happy. Varun's mother saw this and appreciated him for his good job, and then they started playing like earlier. They both were happy. Goodies, did you love the story? Now, can anyone tell me what Varun did was right or wrong? Right, yes. He listened to his mother and he sadly left the butterfly free. Yes. So, can anyone tell me what is the moral of the story? What do you learn from the story? Yes, you should never hurt anyone. What Varun did? He felt bored. So he caught a butterfly and locked it inside a jar, and that hurted the butterfly. The butterfly felt bad. So you should not hurt anyone. Next, You should treat everyone with love and care. See, if Varun loved the butterfly, he should have played with the butterfly in the garden itself. Instead, he caught it and locked it. You should never do that. You should always treat everyone with love and care. You should not compel anyone to do things for your sake. Okay? Then, next thing is we should listen to the elders. We should always listen to the elders. Our elders will always say what is good for us. So, we children should always listen to the elders and do as they say. You should always obey your parents, grandparents, teachers, elders and behave properly. Good children will always do all these things. You're all good children, right? So you all will follow this, right? Very good. Thank you, my good children. Thanks for listening, my sweet cuties. Be good, do good. Also, be safe. Take care. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.